What?
Ay, what's up, youngsters?
May isang excited for today's video. Sino
Yes,
kaya yan?
it's me.
Is a you.
Yes, it's me.
Bakit excited ka?
Cause
10-10 ngayon. Dahil sa Shopee? Hindi. Dahil
Kasi-
National Egg Day? Hindi rin? Bakit?
Kasi pupunta kaming Soler.
Woo! Casino!
Hindi. Pupunta kaming Soler kasi Friends, the one in Manila. So yun yung pupuntahan namin niya. Friends Experience. Ano, nilalambing ko talaga kay Yab na pumunta doon. So ayun, napagbigyan naman kahit pa paano.
Pero, ang hindi namin sure ay kung may experience namin.
Bakit?
Kasi baka malit tayo.
Kaya nga eh, sige na, yun na, abangan nyo na lang guys kung ano mga mangyayari. Pero ayun.
Pag lumabas ng video, ibig sabihin hindi kami na late. Nandito pa kami sa parking. Kakarating lang namin. Ito namin nalabasan. Isa stress na siya. From 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 to 10 10 10 10 10 Tumatakbo na kami. Umabot.
Wait lang, hindi pa sure yung ticket.
Oo nga. Malapit na kami pumasa. Excited na itong isang kasama ko.
You can just scan the QR. Thank you.
Thank you. Happy ka?
Oo, excited na ako makita. Tingnan mo yan.
Sobrang excited yung mga tao dito. From Monica na Monica. Apartment.
Yes.
We gotta start with the sofa, right? And on this orange sofa, you've got your friends. Rachel, Monica, Phoebe, Joey, Chandler, and Ross. Look at them. They're hot. They're young. They're like me. Why is she here? Monica and Rachel live in this truly mammoth New York City apartment. Chandler and Joey live in this less large but equally comical New York City apartment. You'll get to see them both.
Wow, I can so easily freak out right now.
The end of this thing, I'm freaking out a little bit. Or you're If there's anywhere to be an unapologetic Friends band, it is here. So, let's finish where we started.
So no one told you life was gonna be.
Yes, we were welcome dito sa sofa.
Your job's a joke, you're broke. Your love life's the old way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. Well,
The real world and it sucks. Is it?
It
Does
sucks,
it
but it's
sucks?
beautiful. Like you. Char.
Big na. It's
Big bang. Uy, Gunter.
cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed at 10 and work begin at 8. Yeah. You've burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like
Ang haba. Basahin ko kaya. May time naman.
ilang pages?
18 pages.
Front and back.
down to your knees there. I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for like I've been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
Hindi ko mag-gets ba't di nila mapasok. Luwag naman yung square. Hindi yung familiar dyan yun sa science boy.
Mali yun. Yan yung ano, dyan nagkakilala si Phoebe and si Ross. Kasi nung bata daw si Ross, merong nang ano sa kanya. Merong
Ay, sa bubble gum. Iba yun?
Hindi!
Ano yun?
Yung ano, si Phoebe, ninakawan niya si Ross. Kinuha niya
Ay, yung
yan.
wallet.
Oo.
Oo, naalala ko na.
Tapos,
Yung pala yan.
hindi alam ni Ross. Ang sinasabi niya lagi, lalaki daw yun, pero hindi. Si Phoebe pala.
Hinap.
Makisiyar ka muna kala Joey and Chandler. Wala, nakalak. Ayaw magpasiyar. Ayaw magpasiyar ni Joey.
Nakabot. That was the best nap ever.
Look at me, I'm Chandler. Could I be wearing any more clothes?
Tama si Monica, wala. The famous home. Kain tayong cheesecake sa lapag.
Ano with the turkey? Smelly cats. Smelly cats. Naiyak. Pagod ka?
Yeah.
Pero,
Last, but I'm hot. Go Ross. Let me hear the sound. Comfy.
What's that? This is it.
We're
Palabas
done.
tayo.
Yes.
Boom. We're done. Hi guys! So kaka-park lang namin, kakauwi lang namin ng condo. Pero we have to end this. Hindi, ano lang siguro, tanungin lang kita Yab.
Quick summary.
Oo, quick summary. How was your friend's experience?
My heart is so happy, pero yung mga paa ko, hindi na happy.
Kapagod?
Oo, napagod kami kasi
Actually masaya, masaya.
sobrang saya niya.
Oo, sobrang nakakatuwa,
Oo.
nakaka-enjoy. Siguro,
Hindi lang
if
namin
meron,
in-expect.
di lang namin
Oo.
in-expect. Siguro if meron man kayo dapat baunin, patience.
Yeah.
Kasi ang nangyari, 4 hours.
4.5 hours. Tulad kami kasi ang haba nung pila. Well, ano pala, disclaimer, ano pala kami?
Gen
Gen Ad.
Ad.
Oo. So doon lang kami sa Gen Ad. Hindi kami nagpa-VIP because
Based din doon sa mga napanood namin.
Oo, napanood
Parang
namin
mas
na same
mas
lang.
okay daw na mas okay daw yung Gen Ad. Parang yung mga nag-VIP, ang experience nila, sana nag-Gen Ad na lang sila.
Oo.
Baliktad yung
Oo.
naging experience namin. We don't know, maybe it's because this is the first week and Friday.
oo.
Unang Friday, nung event.
Dating mo doon, syempre medyo priority yung mga yung mga VIP.
pass.
Pero ina-alternate naman nila.
Mm.
Ina-alternate naman na okay, isang VIP tapos ayun na, isang Gen Ad.
Mm.
Ayun lang, ang haba lang talaga ng pila kasi hindi lahat ng photo spots may tao or may nag-a-assist.
Nag-a-assist.
Tapos isa sa good thing na siguro hindi ko naman expect na meron pala is may binigay silang stub. Tapos merong official photo from them mismo. Yun yung antayin namin na makuha soon.
Within 24 hours.
Within 24 hours daw. Tapos, ayun nga, yun lang yung medyo disappointing dun kasi ang haba ng pila and then wala nang nag-assist dun sa ibang photo spots. So, ang parang conclusion namin niya, kaya parang tumagal sa mga pila kasi nga, yung parang sobrang tagal nung time mag-photo op nung iba.
Lalo na sa hallway.
Oo, doon sa hallway, doon sa
Monica's Kitchen.
Oo, kay Monica's Kitchen at saka doon sa sa Central Park.
Central
Oo,
Park.
doon sa bar area.
Bar area.
Diyos ko,
oo.
nakakaloka. Pero ayun, sobrang fun niya. Kami ni Yab, natuwa talaga kami kasi ang iba pala yung feeling kapag nandun kami mismo sa set. Promise.
Siguro kung may isa-suggest man kami dun sa mga planning din na pumunta, mag-VIP kayo if peak hours
At weekend.
at weekend. If hindi naman peak hours, like morning and weekdays, siguro pwede yung Gen Ad, no? Based on sa experience ng mga napanood namin na videos.
Tapos pala guys, if may kasama kayo na bata, elderly, or preggy, kasi may mga nakita kami doon, ayun, set na din ng expectation na walang upuan.
You can bring your own
Oo,
chairs, yung
bring-
foldable lang.
Okay, yung mga payong na kapag inano mo, pwedeng may upuan na.
Oo.
Ganon, para lang hindi rin sila super mapagod kasi ayun, walang any
Walang
seating area except sa Central Park.
Mm.
Yun, dulo na yun, na
Last
parang
part na yun.
station. So, ayun lang, para ready rin ang lahat.
Ano yung favorite part ko? Yung sa akin, yung apartment 19, yung kila Joey, at saka kay Chandler. Kasi,
Bakit?
parang as a sports lover,
Wow.
may foosball, may dart, nandun lahat. Tapos yung yung
Yung lazy boy.
lazy boy chair.
Uy guys, sobrang lambot. wala lang, sarap lang umiga talaga doon. Gusto ko lang magstay doon kanina. Pero ako, ang pinaka-favorite spot ko siguro doon sa apartment 19. Hindi yung Lazy Boy, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Although sobrang sarap yung upuan.
So,
Natuwa ako doon sa yellow na sofa sa gilid kung saan natulog si Joey and si Ross.
that was a great nap.
Oo, yung nap. Ang sarap na mag-nap doon. Oo, sobrang sarap tambayan. Parang ganun yung na-feel ko doon. Tapos, of course, hindi naman mawala sa favorite natin ang apartment 20. Ang sad lang doon, wala yung sala
Balcony.
set.
Ay, oo, wala.
Wala
ano.
rin yung balcony.
Oo nga, no?
Oo, sa US meron daw eh. Pero, ayun, dito sa Manila, wala yung balcony, wala rin yung sala set. So, yung lang, yung kitchen. Pero maganda pa rin. Sobrang natuwa kami doon, mag-video-video, mag-picture-picture, ganun.
So, in the end, or overall,
Overall, I am so happy pa din kasi talagang nilook forward kung makapunta dito. Yun lang yung mga bagay na hindi namin in-expect, which we are sharing to you guys para rin, ayun, maset yung expectation ninyo kapag kayo naman ang pupunta. So yun, hanggang kailan nga ba yung
Hindi
the
ko
one in
alam eh.
Manila? Parang hanggang end of October, hindi tuloy ako sure, pero parang ganun. So ayun guys, kuha na rin kayo ng ticket, pero make sure na mas maaga yung kunin ninyo, yung mga hindi peak hours and weekdays. Siguro mas okay yung line by that time. So ayun lang, end of sharing. I hope natuwa rin kayo sa mga pinagkukuha namin doon, 'di ba?
it was a great friends experience. The one in Manila.
Woohoo! Thank you, Yabsters! Thank you, Yab, kasi iniyakan ko siya para matuloy lang to dahil gusto ko talagang puntahan. Anyway, ano ba? Taon na yan. Sige na. Kailangan na namin matulog dahil mahaga pa kami tomorrow. So, ayun lang. Salamat, Yabsters! See you sa
Bye.
next vlog namin. Good night!